Hi, everybody. If you haven't seen my other video, my name's Mr. Jemison. I'm the algebra teacher here at Passaic High School. This is my third year here. I want to address a couple of things for parents as quickly as possible because I know your time is valuable and I'd like to get through this very quickly. First of all, make sure that your child has a notebook, something to write on, and a place to sit down. I've noticed that a lot of students are spending the entire period looking at me from their bed. Probably not very conducive to getting any math done. This is the types of problems that your child is going to have to solve. Um, as you can see, it's fairly complex. It requires some steps, and it means writing in a notebook. Please ask to see your child's notebook every single day. That would be a huge help. Hold them accountable. If they don't have 10 or 15 problems that look something like this, they're not doing their work, just so you know. There is some fantastic programs that we have available, and I'd like to share just a few of them very quickly. So one of our programs is IXL. You'll see that these kinds of equations show up. I'm going to pick one right now. This is a section on IXL that I'm going to just choose a quick one here. Hopefully it'll come up. There it goes. I'm getting a little bit of lag. All right, so here's the equation that they're supposed to solve. What you should see in their notebook is that there's a date. This is the IXL work, so they should, title it IXL work. They should have written the equation. So the equation looks like this. 3v equals -3 plus 4v. Now they're eventually going to get to the point where they can solve this kind of thing in their head. I would probably say that most of the students can't solve this in their head, so they should have written their equation down. Then in their notebook, they should have subtracted 4v from both sides and gotten -v is equal to -3, and then divided by -1 on both sides and gotten their solution, v is equal to 3. When they're doing IXL and they make a mistake, let's say that they accidentally put in the wrong number. Let's say that they put in, there we go. Suppose they say v equals 2. What happens then is that the IXL program tells them not only what the answer is, but exactly how to do the problem. And it tells you to subtract 4v from both sides and multiply both sides by -1. Every single problem, they can find out how to do it. They can practice. It's a bit game-like, and it gives them a score. The next one I'd like to address is this wonderful games. We do a lot of quizzes. So far in class, we've done about 15 or 20 of them, and they've had 3 or 4 for homework. What a quiz looks like is a game show. It usually has music playing in the background, and they ask questions in a game show format. I'm supposed to write this in decimal format. Not sure if it's the 0.9 or looks like it's the 0.9. This is 9/10, so I'm supposed to choose 9/10. I just picked this at random. You can see that it gives you a little funny meme in between when you get it right. 76% as a fraction in lowest terms, that would be 38/50ths can be reduced to 19/25ths, which would be this one right here. And of course, when you get it right, you get a little funny meme sometimes. 30% as a decimal is 0.3. And they would play the game. It has little memes that come up. It sometimes gives you power-ups and so on. It's a lot of fun. It's a wonderful, wonderful game to play, and we play games in class as well as for homework. I'll have one last one. This is my YouTube channel. For almost all the IXL assignments, I actually include a video where I work out every single problem. Some of our lessons, I'll include a lesson on here as well. And in this location, you could find all of the different things that I've uploaded, including this video right here. So visit it if you'd like. I think I have one last thing. Let me see. Nope, that's it. So you can join my Zoom meeting. Stop the share. And I will send you an invitation as well as a recording of this video. So I hope to see you this evening. I will be available from 3:30 to 5. And if you check your email, you'll see that you'll have an invite and a code to join my Zoom meeting. So I hope to see you there.